long time in the making, but you no longer need to buy tape to put over your Leica logos. Now, anyone that has followed my channel for a decent amount of time knows that I've talked in every Leica that I've ever owned about removing the Leica red dot, about putting tape over it, then even purchased like perfectly circular little stickers that also went over the logos. And all those things were fine, but now we have an actual solution that legitimately looks OEM to the Leica that's not just a piece of tape. And there's just something about having a really, really sleek all black or all silver camera that just feels so much better. This is a Loner Q3 from Leica. Obviously, I'm not going to take the logo off of this one, but do I think even the Q3 looks a little bit more sleek and a little bit cooler without a bright red dot on it? Yeah, I do. So about a year ago, I was kind of just sick of putting tape over my Leicas, started to do some more research into the availability of black logos. I even thought about maybe buying some red logos and removing the paint and adding my own paint. And my friend over at Analogous also was thinking the same thing and had made one for himself and sent me over one. We started chatting via DM. Ever since I got the black dot on here and started using it and posting videos with it, many of you have been asking when I got rid of my M11 and bought an M11-P, which is not the case. There is definitely no logo on here or anything. The only thing I have done to this, other than adding this little thumb grip, which is also amazing and I really, really enjoy it, is to add that little black screw dot thing here. So after about a year of prodding, Analogous is making them available to the public. So you can buy them in the 10mm versions, which I believe fit on like all of these cameras. And then the M240, the Leica SL system, things like that. They, I believe, have a 12mm. So definitely check this out. I have a link in the description down there. Go and support A, and B, make your Leica look so much cooler. It's definitely something that's not a permanent solution. You can definitely take it off. Definitely don't do what Cam Mackey did and take a knife to it, but you can really easily just move it back and forth with some toothpicks. But the black dots come with some adhesive as well, so really zero issues. And then the packaging that comes with it, you can just put your old red dot in there, and then when you go to sell your Leica someday, if you need to, you can either include that or put it back on and add this to a new camera. Whatever you want to do. Now, these aren't just some random dot as well. They are legit. The coatings and everything like match the M11 really, really well. Obviously, they're machined to be the correct size. They're made out of brass. Everything about it just looks legit. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Would you rather tape your camera? Would you rather just use the regular red dot? I mean, red dots look cool. I mean, it is what it is. But I do think that the more sleek design looks a lot better. Also, I am finally going to make a full review on the M11 and give my thoughts on this camera after having it for about a year now. So drop any questions you might have on this in the comments down below. And then you can check out my original video of why I bought the M11 in the first place up here. Check out my video on the M10s up here, and I will see you in one of those videos.